In everyday work, every detail makes a difference. Visibility, practicality, automation. With the right accessories, your extraction system becomes even more efficient. Today we're not focusing on the machine itself, but on how to take it to the next level. Let's explore two smart upgrades for the UNI 2 series and the UNI 3.2, the light kit and the start and stop kit. All accessories are designed to be immediately operational. No complex installation, no tools required. Just connect and you're ready to work. With the light kit, you always work with perfect visibility. The light is installed directly onto the hood and controlled from the machine panel. More precision, more safety, more comfort. With the start and stop kit, everything becomes automatic. The extractor starts when welding begins and stops automatically when the work is done. Fewer manual operations, less energy waste, only what you need, when you need it. Small accessories, big difference. With Aerservice, you don't just improve extraction, you improve the way you work. Efficiency, comfort, control.